Burger चाहिए और weight loss भी? Here it is. It's healthy, yummy, so much fun. When you take a bite, you can't stop at one. Hi and welcome to the N-Health Lifestyle channel. This is Sangeeta Narayan and today we're going to be making two super yummy, protein-rich vegetarian burgers. First one is the bean and quinoa burger. For this, we'll take some rajma or kidney beans, soak it overnight or for 8 hours and then pressure cook it. And while it is cooking, we'll do some prep. Chana, rajma, lobia, we can't miss soaking, but it is also important to soak dals for a minimum of 2 to 3 hours before cooking it. A lot of people complain of gas after eating dal. When you soak your dals for 2 to 3 hours, there are two benefits that you get. Number one, it reduces the phytic acid content in your dal that aids mineral absorption. And the second benefit is that it reduces oligosaccharides, making it easier for your body to digest the dal and thereby preventing gas, bloating and stomach cramps. Give your dal at least 4 to 5 whistles in the cooker and rajma, chole and other legumes 8 to 12 whistles. The rajma is cooked now. We'll let this cool and while it cools, take some powdered flax seeds and add a few spoons of water to it. It becomes gelatinous and acts as a binder. The flax seeds also give a mild nutty taste which makes the burger so much yum. Next, we'll chop some green chilies, coriander, mint leaves. This adds a nice surprise to the burger. The rajma has cooled now. We'll do a coarse grinding with little or no water. That's how thick our patty base will be. Now let's add the chopped onion, green chilies, and next we'll add some cooked quinoa. If quinoa is not available, you can even add some cooked brown rice or mashed potato. I love quinoa. It's a very good source of protein, fiber and B vitamins. It is also a plant-based source of complete proteins. Next we're gonna add some coriander, grated ginger, grated garlic, flaxseed paste, mint, salt, cumin powder, coriander powder and finally the breadcrumbs. Use your hand to knead this and mix the ingredients well. In a vegetarian diet, pulses are an important source of protein. Whenever we eat food, the protein content in it breaks down into amino acids which our body utilizes to build and repair muscles, immune system, hair, eyes, everything. Our body also produces some amino acids, but the ones that it can't make are called essential amino acids and it is important to have them through food. Foods that have all essential amino acids are called complete proteins and the foods which lack one or more are called incomplete proteins. Most vegetarian sources except milk and milk products are incomplete proteins. Pulses are deficient in methionine but rich in lysine and cereals are deficient in lysine and rich in methionine. That is why we mix cereals and pulses together for a better quality protein. और इसीलिए इस राजमा बर्गर में भी हमने किनोआ ऐड किया है. अगर किनोआ ना हो तो आप थोड़ा सा ब्राउन राइस भी ऐड कर सकते हैं. बातों बातों में पता ही नहीं चला और रोलिंग भी हो गया. We'll now put it on some breadcrumbs to make it extra crispy. You can store these patties in the freezer for an anytime ready snack. Keep it in an airtight container and use butter paper to separate them. We'll cook the patty on the tawa using only a few drops of oil. See how crisp and brown it becomes even without deep frying. Now let's go on to making the burger. While the bun toasts, we'll slice some cucumber, chop some lettuce. You can use plain mayo, but here's an interesting twist. Add some sriracha sauce to it. This makes your burger really nice and spicy. Now spread the sriracha mayo on the bun. Put the patty. Add the cucumber, lettuce, and it's done. Enjoy your treat with some French fries that are made in the air fryer. The second one is the Chickpea Avocado burger. For this, we'll take some boiled sweet potato. These are a good source of carotene and they're good for your eyes. If sweet potato is not available, then use the regular potato. It's a good idea to keep some boiled potatoes in your fridge for a quick snack, especially for kids. Now put the cooked chickpea into the mixer and add the sweet potato and grind it coarsely using little or no water. To the ground chickpea paste, we add some chopped olives, onion, chilies, flaxseed paste, coriander, grated ginger, grated garlic, salt, breadcrumbs and some olive oil. And we'll now mix the ingredients. Add some coriander, cumin and garam masala powder. These are optional, and if you want to miss it or use any one of them, you can do so. Now we'll shape this into a patty. You can freeze these patties to use it later or just brown the patty and toast the bun on the tawa. Next, slice an avocado. Avocados are a heart-healthy fruit. They can lower triglyceride levels. They may also prevent certain cancers and osteoporosis. Make your salads, sandwiches and burgers healthier by adding just a few slices of this superfood. Spread the sriracha mayo on the bun. Put some lettuce, olives, jalapenos. Place the chickpea patty. Top it with a few slices of tomato, avocado, parsley and jalapenos. Avocado, olives and jalapenos make this burger extra special. Enjoy it with some fries made in the air fryer. Using an air fryer cuts down oil consumption and calorie intake by 60 to 70%. But remember, you still need to keep your portions in control and have it occasionally. That way you can enjoy your food and it does no harm. We've added a lot of ingredients in our burger to make it as healthy as possible. In case any of them are not available with you, you can easily skip it. Your burger will still taste just as great. If you want the written recipe of these burgers, you can click in the link in the description box below. If you liked our video, do give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. Leave your comments and share the video. Bye-bye.